Using the OpenAI API, you can write code that generates text responses to your prompts. Here's a simple example that uses the Responses API. First, we import the OpenAI module from the OpenAI library. This line creates a new instance of the OpenAI client and assigns it to the variable client. You will use this client object to make requests to the OpenAI API. This is where we make our API call to generate a story. This calls the create endpoint in the Responses API of the OpenAI client. We just need to pass two items in our API call: the version of GPT model to be used to generate the response, and the actual prompt to the model, asking it to create a bedtime story in one sentence about a dragon. The output from our call is saved here. This line prints out the generated output. Many OpenAI SDK calls include an output text property that combines all model responses into one string for easy access. Let's run this code. Here we assume that you have exported your API key. If not, you need to do it before you run your code. Here's our response.